This is where the real work lives. Open your project from all projects. This is your cockpit for the whole build. Across the top, every part of the job, your documents and plans, the client selections, site management, schedule, site diary, weather, safety, defects, the lot. And finance, for budget, claims, variations, and purchase orders. Everything about this build, one tab away. The one to set first? Visibility. This controls exactly what your customer sees in their own portal. Which milestones, which photos, which documents. You decide what's shared and what stays internal. 2 minutes here saves you a phone call every afternoon. And keep an eye on AI project health. Paperless reads the job and flags what needs attention before it bites. Set up right, this project now runs itself around you. Next up, building the schedule that keeps it on track.